with this house? Hello? Is it a ghost in here? I wanted you to think that the house was haunted, so then you would leave the house because you were scared, and then I was gonna rob the house. And now that I'm saying that out loud, I realize how dumb this is. So like, yeah, hey, just let me hold $40, man. Let me hold 40.
Yeah, let's see if Pops left me some money. Yeah, I was waiting on you to die.
If you're watching this video, then that means that I have met my untimely demise. RIP to me. But all is not sad because I'm leaving something in my will for you. I'm leaving you with Keeps, the sponsor for today's video. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but every 2 out of 3 males will experience some type of male pattern baldness before they hit 35. Now, I know that may sound scary to you, but if you treat it early while you still have hair, that's actually going to be your best chance to prevent hair loss. And Keeps makes this process very easy for you because you can get treated from the comfort of your own home. A licensed doctor will review your information online and recommend the best hair loss treatment for you. And if you ever need help, you can message your Keeps doctor 24/7 with your concerns. You probably wouldn't even be seeing this video if I had someone I could message 24/7 for help. Prevention is the key to stopping hair loss, and the Keeps treatment takes up to 4 to 6 months. So it's best to start this process early when you see the signs of hair loss. You can use keeps.com/Cilvanis, or you can use the link in the description below to get 50% off your first order. So yeah, that's all I have for you.